Hey, hi guys. Firstly, a warm welcome to all of you to Success Habits Academy online. It's one of the best decisions you have ever made. So I just want to thank you for doing that. Thank you for being here. All right. Now I'm just going to show you in this particular video the login process. What do you think? What you can see inside and how to use it and how to use the Facebook community, how to use the WhatsApp group. And I'm just going to give you a small, quick orientation. Is that okay? Thank you. All right. So let me just share my screen with you, and I'm just going to share with you uh, the thing. I just created a dummy account for myself, and I'm just going to share that. And this is how you will be also seeing it. Okay. So you must have received this email. Just someone who wants to help you, and subject would be like your access details. Just click on that. All right. Then. Uh, this is your email, that's your username, this is the password. You can log in at this shaonline.school.invanto.com. So what you're going to do is you can click here, okay, and it's going to open up a new window. And this is where it can ask you to set up a new password. So I'm going to put in a new password. There I go. I've set the new password and now it's asking me to log in. So I'm going to log in using the same password. There you go. Okay, you have logged in. This is what you're going to see once you log in, right? And you're going to see this member center. All right. And here you're going to see your orders that you have placed. So you have placed an order for business profits and automation journey SHA level 1. You can click here for access. You can also click here to know what are the courses inside this bundle. Okay. So there are two courses you will see. One you will see is business organic marketing system 30-day challenge. This is the progress bar, and weekly live mastermind and Q&A meetings. This is the progress bar of that. Now, what is this one? Every weekly meeting that we do every Tuesday, we are recording it and I'm going to store it there so that you can go back and watch them again. Okay. So this is going to be one course which is going to keep on getting, new content will keep on getting added to it. You need to go inside business organic marketing system. So you're going to click here. All right. And this is what you see inside. Once you click there, you click on let's get started. And this is the first lesson that you will see. Okay, all you have to do is just click on play and it will start playing. I'm asking you specifically what is going to change. Okay, Mahesh is saying retail business is changing. Okay, so these are all recorded modules, recorded courses that you see. Okay, so you click on any of the lecture. Okay, you'll see a video come up on the screen and you can start playing it. Hey, hi there. Welcome. All right. And once you complete that particular video, just click on mark as completed. Okay, just click on that, mark as completed. And once you mark as completed, so for example, if I mark this as completed, this bar is going to increase. Okay, you're going to see the percentage bar getting increased. Now for any of the lecture, any comments you have, anything you want to share, any question you want to ask, or anything that you learned from every lecture that you're going to do, you post that comment, that post inside the Facebook community. Okay, please do not comment here because I am not looking at those comments. I'm looking only at the Facebook comments, Facebook community comments you are doing. So joining the Facebook community is very important. All right, see, I marked that complete, so it's showing me 1% complete, and this is also the tick mark that you see. All right, So, as you can just go through all these modules, all these lectures, one lecture on one day is also enough. And just take those actions at the end of that lecture. All right. For example, this week one branding day 3, you complete all that day 3 in one go. Okay. And then you take that action as well. All right. So this is day 8. So you go through all these 3 lectures at one go and take this action at the last lecture, and you update it inside the Facebook community. Now, updating inside the Facebook community is very, very important, because that is how I know that you are participating, and that is how I know that you are having a lot of fun, you are learning also. And feel free to ask as many as questions in the Facebook community also, or in the weekly mastermind. All right, weekly Q&A webinar that we do. You are free to ask questions there. Okay. Now, if you click on the other one, weekly live mastermind meetings, Q&A meetings. So inside this, you will see all the recordings of the weekly masterminds we have had so far. Okay. So again, you click there and it will show, you can watch it. Okay. Sometimes I have also added a downloadable resource, so you can download the PDF also. Just check that as well, and you can start just playing. It will start playing here on itself, and you can start seeing those weekly masterminds. All right. So these are the 2 things that you have access to, and apart from these 2 things, go ahead, join the Facebook community right away, and also go ahead and register for the weekly webinar, which happens on Tuesday mornings, 8 a.m. This is the webinar, live webinar, where I'll be answering your questions. All right. Now, inside the module, there are links to block my slot also. If you want to do a one-to-one with me, you can block that slot and we can do a personal meeting as well. All right. Now, another thing is, say for example, once you have logged out, and if you want to log in again, okay, so you don't have to go to your email again. What you can do is, from wherever you are, from your browser, just go to sheonline.school.invanto.com. Just go to that school. This is what you will see there. All right. And what you can do is just click on login. All right. And just put in your email address and password. And you can go ahead and log in. Okay. If you forget your password, you can just click on forgot password and it will do the forgot password process. It's as simple as that. Okay. Again, make sure you're commenting your questions in the Facebook community, your learnings from every video in the Facebook community, any success story that you generate from the Facebook community, any aha moment, you're putting it inside the Facebook community, assignments you're posting in the Facebook community. All these things happen in the Facebook community only. And any technical questions you want to ask, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Also, we are giving you a lot of announcements in the WhatsApp group. All right. There you go. You will come back to this login screen again. All right. Again, what I want you to do is I want to really welcome you. Warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining Success Habits Academy online. I hope your entire journey is going to be amazing. And remember, our intention within the next 3 months, we have to create a system that will generate you 1 crore rupees every year. Right? And this can happen, definitely happen within 3 months. We can create a system for generating 1 crore every year, only if you keep on taking action on whatever is being taught inside BOMS. Okay. It might happen initially, you might not understand everything that is happening in BOMS. You might not completely relate to it. That is all okay. Just keep on going through the modules one by one. If you want to go back and recheck some lecture again, and come back again, keep learning and keep asking me questions. I am there. Mithali is there to continuously answer your questions and to continuously support you. All right. Once again, thank you so much for joining Success Habits Academy online. Remember, within 3 to 6 years, you have to climb all those 4 levels. You are in level 1 right now. We are in those 3 to 6 years. We have to climb all the 4 levels, and we have to create a really profitable and a really automated business. And for some of you, it might not even take 3 years. It might happen in 1 year also. All right. So let's have a lot of fun. Let's learn a lot. Let's implement a lot, and let's create an amazing, prosperous life for ourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am Sudhir Kollam, your prosperity coach and the president of Success Habits Academy Online, along with Mitali, who is also your mentor here. I wish you all the best. Thank you.